everybody, my name is Minh Duc. I am very happy to see you on my English channel. Today I talk about my nature school. My nature school is in countryside. It's very interesting and less stressful. Nature schools are special schools. There are a lot of class. There are a lot of outdoor classes. In nature school, students learn how to respect nature, learn how to grow food and vegetable. They learn how to feed and care for animals. What else? In the schools, we can go camping, learn how to make t-shirts, how to cook, and so on. In the class hour, we also only study science and read books. It's so boring. In the school, there are a lot of trees around the playground. It also has a stadium of traditional games. I like nature school because it make me stressed. Don't make me stressed. Do you like nature school? Let's come with me. Bye bye.